this is the final product after boiling down about 75 gallons of sap outside on the evaporator. We're down to about 2.5 gallons of concentrated sap. It's almost syrup. We're boiling it with a candy thermometer in here, and we see that the temperature has gone above and beyond the boiling point of water. We're boiling at about 104 degrees centigrade or 218 Fahrenheit. For it to become syrup, you have to test it with a hydrometer. So I'm going to fill a sample up here. And when you drop in the hydrometer, it should float at that red line right there, but you notice it is not floating yet. And in fact, it is still at about Brix 50. It's just trying to float right there. So to be syrup, it has to float at Brix around 60, what did he say, 67?
Mm-hmm.
That's the cold float test. Here in the hot, see, this is at 212, more than 212 degrees. And so at Brix 58, it would be considered syrup while it's still hot. So if you let it cool down to room temperature, it would be Brix. It's hard to comprehend that. Just remember, when it's hot, it's thin, and when it cools off, it gets thicker. But it's still not even passing the hot float test, which would be right there. And if you see, if I let go, it drops down in. But it's trying to float, and right there, about Brix 50 is the point we're almost reaching.